Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to create a professional 3D intro for your YouTube videos directly on your phone? Then this video is for you. Today, I'll show you the top 5 professional and clean 3D intro templates that can turn your logo into an amazing intro animation with just one click. No editing skills, no PC, and no complicated settings required. Simply upload your logo, wait a few seconds, and your professional 3D intro will be ready automatically. In this video, we'll explore all 5 intro styles, compare their results, and I'll show you how to customize them to match your channel branding. So make sure to watch until the end and choose your favorite intro template. Let's get started. The app download link in the video description. Download and install the app, then follow along with me. Open the app after installation. Here you'll see a collection of professional intro templates. Select this template. Here, you'll see 3 different options. The first option is Upload Shape Image in JPG or PNG format. Tap on this option and your file manager will open. Now select your logo shape image. One important thing to remember, if you want to convert a 2D logo into a 3D intro, your logo should be black and the background should be white. Once you select the logo, the app will automatically convert it into a professional 3D intro video. Now let's look at the second option. The second option is Upload SVG. If you already have an SVG version of your logo, simply upload it here. And finally, the third option is Generate Logo. If you don't have a logo, you can simply type your text here. The app will generate a monogram-style logo automatically and then create a professional intro video using that logo. This makes it easy for anyone to create stunning 3D intro videos, even without having a logo design ready. Click on the download button, select the resolution, and download started. And that's it. You now have a professional YouTube intro created entirely on your phone in just a few clicks. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mobile editing tutorials and YouTube tips.